Living in a small apartment doesn't mean you have to sacrifice functionality or style. In this video, I'm sharing 20 clever gadgets that can make your space more practical and organized. I've listed the best products that are perfect for compact living. Whether you need smart storage, multi-purpose tools, or just cool ways to save space, there's something here for you. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's dive in and explore some great ideas for small spaces. TribeSign's C-Table, height-adjustable C-shaped snack table on wheels, offers a versatile solution for working, dining, or relaxing. Its sturdy particle board top and thick metal frame ensure stability, while lockable casters keep it in place. The tiltable tabletop adjusts to multiple angles for drawing or reading, and two-tier shelves provide extra storage. Compact and mobile, it easily slides under sofas or beds, saving space and meeting everyday demands. Mural's Smart Art Frame. A digital art frame with patented TrueArt technology brings lifelike art and photos to your wall. Featuring a 1080p HD display with adjustable backlighting and an anti-glare finish, it showcases over 30,000 iconic and emerging artworks. Upload and view personal photos effortlessly, eliminating the need for printing. Designed for flexibility, it detects orientation and adapts to vertical or horizontal hanging. Switchbot Button Pusher. A universal Bluetooth-powered button pusher transforms traditional switches into smart controls. With easy installation using adhesive, it automates lights, coffee machines, or air conditioners. Timers ensure convenience, while optional hub integration enables remote operation, voice control, and compatibility with platforms like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. HomeKit support via Matter adds seamless smart home integration. GVYLife Smart Humidifiers. A smart humidifier with app and voice control provides a tailored humidity experience. Adjust settings remotely, automate schedules, and pair with a thermohydrometer for optimal air balance. Its top-fill design ensures hassle-free refills, while RGB nightlights and ultra-quiet operation create a soothing environment. Ideal for nurseries, plant rooms, or bedrooms, it offers purified mist for healthier living. A Noing Knife Magnetic Strip. A magnetic knife strip with powerful magnets combines functionality and style. Crafted from high-quality acacia wood, it securely holds heavy knives, tools, or utensils. Adhesive and screw options provide versatile wall or fridge installation. Its compact design maximizes kitchen space, while bonus hooks offer additional storage for scissors and other items, blending practicality with elegance. Vacant Shower Caddy. A stainless steel shower caddy set organizes all your bathroom essentials with ease. Featuring 3 caddy sizes and separate soap and toothbrush holders, it provides versatile storage. Tool-free adhesive installation ensures a secure fit without drilling. Designed to endure heavy loads and resist rust, it maintains its sleek appearance in damp conditions, combining durability with style. Shark AI Robot Vacuum. A self-emptying robotic vacuum with incredible suction cleans floors with precision. Using matrix clean navigation and 360-degree LiDAR mapping, it detects and avoids obstacles while covering every spot. The self-cleaning brush roll captures pet hair, and a HEPA filter traps allergens. With hands-free control via Alexa or Google Assistant, this vacuum adapts seamlessly to daily household needs. Velmade Hanging Vacuum Storage Bags. Hanging vacuum storage bags with airtight seals optimize closet space. Featuring triple seal turbo valves and durable double-zip designs, they protect garments while saving space. Compatible with vacuum cleaners or manual compression, these versatile bags double as garment bags and storage organizers. Heavy-duty hanger rings hold multiple clothes securely, revolutionizing your wardrobe organization. Vanax Sleeper Sofa. A sleeper sofa with built-in storage converts effortlessly into a guest bed. Its sturdy frame supports long-term use, while a spacious chaise stores blankets or pillows. Thick cushions provide ergonomic support, complemented by arm cushions for added comfort. Upholstered in soft, breathable buccal fabric, it combines functionality and style, making it perfect for any room. Ubour Tree Bookshelf. A modern tree-shaped bookshelf blends aesthetics with practicality. Its unique design accommodates books, decor, and more in a compact, space-saving structure. Reinforced for stability, it features 6 sturdy storage areas and an anti-tip strap for safety. Ideal for corners, small rooms, or as a decorative statement, it enhances any living space with charm and utility. Vits Kitchen Sink. The smart kitchen sink is crafted from thickened 304 stainless steel with a nano PVD finish, offering excellent hardness and durability. Its unique waterfall design features 2 waterfall outlets and a versatile faucet with 3 spray modes. The sink comes with luxury accessories, including high-pressure glass washers, soap dispensers, and stainless steel cutting boards, enhancing convenience. The noise-reducing, soundproof design ensures a quiet workspace, while its smart drainage system avoids water pooling. GAOP Portable Clip-On Fan. This portable clip-on fan operates with a 2,000 mAh battery, offering 2.5 to 9 hours of use, depending on speed settings. The fan's brushless motor delivers powerful airflow while remaining quiet. With a 5.5mm blade gap, it's safe for infants, preventing small fingers from getting caught. The durable, easy-to-use clip fits on surfaces up to 1 inch thick, while the sponge pad ensures no damage. Ideal for desks, strollers, camping, and more. Winx Air Purifier. The air purifier features a true HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of airborne pollutants, including dust mites, pollen, and pet dander. A washable AOC carbon filter removes household odors, while plasma wave technology safely breaks down pollutants without emitting harmful ozone. It adjusts its fan speed automatically using smart sensors, and sleep mode ensures silent operation. Ideal for rooms up to 360 square feet. It helps maintain clean air in medium to large spaces, including bedrooms and kitchens. Google Nest Learning Thermostat. The smart thermostat learns your schedule and preferred temperatures to optimize energy use and comfort. With Home Away Assist, it automatically adjusts when you leave, ensuring you don't waste energy. Remote control via your phone, tablet, or laptop allows you to adjust the temperature anytime. The thermostat also monitors your HVAC system and provides helpful alerts for maintenance. The sleek design includes a high-resolution display and Farsight feature that shows the time, weather, or temperature. Aloi Bed Frame. This bed frame combines a modern low-profile design with linen-look fabric, offering a stylish and minimalist look. It includes ample storage with 2 side drawers and 1 large drawer at the bed's end. The customizable headboard design allows you to personalize your style, and the strong wood slats provide sturdy support with an 800 pounds capacity. Anti-noise features ensure a quiet night's sleep, while plastic foot plugs protect your floors from scratches. Hamilton Beach Smart Coffee Maker. This 12-cup coffee maker integrates seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to control brewing, adjust strength, or turn off the machine with voice commands. It syncs wirelessly to maintain the correct time and allows programming for wake-up coffee. With Alexa's Works with Alexa certified status, it ensures a reliable smart home experience. The coffee maker also supports routine creation for personalized schedules, making your mornings faster and more convenient, all while being easy to use. Kosor Air Fryer. The air fryer is equipped with the VSync app, enabling remote control and voice activation through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It offers over 200 online recipes with detailed steps and adjustable time and temperature settings. With Scan to Cook, you can quickly cook frozen foods while tracking their nutritional values. Cooking with 85% less oil, it ensures healthier meals without sacrificing taste. Its 12 cooking functions, including preheat and keep warm, guarantee perfect results every time. Zen Wine Opener. This electric wine opener removes corks in 5 to 7 seconds, capable of opening 40 to 50 bottles on a single charge. The portable and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel, vacations, or outdoor events. The set includes a foil cutter, vacuum stoppers, wine pourer, and a decanter to enhance wine flavor and preserve freshness. Ideal for various celebrations and special occasions, this opener kit ensures easy and elegant wine service, making it a great gift for wine enthusiasts. Chiten Wireless Charging Desk Mat. The wireless charging desk mat features a 15-watt Qi quick charge panel for effortless charging of your compatible devices. Made from premium waterproof leather, it provides a stylish, smooth surface for your mouse and keyboard. Its large size accommodates your desktop essentials, helping you maintain an organized workspace. The non-slip bottom ensures stability, and it also protects your desk from scratches, spills, and stains, making it a functional and durable addition to any office setup. Brookstone Collapsible Laundry Basket. This collapsible laundry basket is designed for convenience and space saving. When unfolded, it offers generous capacity, holding a full load of laundry. It folds flat to just 3 inches, saving up to 70% of space when not in use. The basket's ventilation holes allow for proper airflow, keeping laundry fresh. Its ergonomic grip handles make it easy to carry, and the sturdy design ensures it can handle wet or dry laundry without issue. That wraps up our list of 20 clever gadgets that can transform any small apartment into a functional and stylish haven. These innovative tools prove that even the coziest spaces can be optimized for comfort, convenience, and creativity. If any of these gadgets caught your eye, don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices. Found this video helpful? Show us some love with a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might need these space-saving ideas, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon. That way, you'll never miss out on our latest content, tips, and reviews designed to make your life smarter and simpler.